I am making some lasagna today, so for the top of it, we're gonna sprinkle on some Parmesan cheese. So if you liked the powdered Parmesan cheese, you need 3/4 cups of raw cashews. These are not soaked, they're just plain raw cashews. And then you'll add 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast in there. That's what's really going to give you your cheese flavor. And then you'll need 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then salt. Probably need about 3/4 of a teaspoon. Teaspoon is a little too much. And then you just need to go ahead and put the lid on the blender and just turn it on and make sure it gets mixed up. And then just depending on how, I'm going to go ahead and mix it a little bit more. You just want to make sure it's not too chopped up. As you can see. And you wouldn't know that it's not real Parmesan cheese.
Yeah, it's really good on all kinds of stuff.
Yes.